Hi everyone, Howard Brown from Cool School Video, and I just wanted to do a short install video for the new sound library for Windsynth I've just released, which contains 600 performances based on the TX16WX free plugin, sampler plugin. And please download the test files that I've put up to make sure that the plugin installs in whatever system you're using, Mac or Windows, and the DAW that you're using, and that you can access the test sounds. I wouldn't want anyone to buy it and then find out that they can't install it on their system. So please do that and you'll be good to go. Okay, so once you purchase it, you'll be directed to a download page I've set up on Cool School Video, and there'll be a link there to download the sounds. It's a zip file and it's just under a gig, so it doesn't take up a lot of room. And you can run it from a thumb drive, any hard drive that you have installed on your computer. And I've been running it from a thumb drive very successfully. So once you download the zip file, unzip it and put it anywhere you want on your computer, but just remember where you put it, because you're going to have to navigate to that folder to access the sounds from the plugin within your DAW. And don't change any of the contents of the folder. There's going to be a folder that you open up, and then you'll see the performances, and then there's another folder that has all the patches and the raw samples. And if you move that out of the master folder, then the TX is not going to know where to look for the samples, and it won't load the sounds correctly. So just download it and put it in a place just the way it is. Okay, so then you go to your DAW once you've done that. And I'm using Cakewalk by BandLab, which is a really great free plugin, free DAW I've been using. I used to use it as Sonar years ago and pay a lot for it, and now they have it free, so it's great. It has a lot of plugins and different things. But anyway, I have it already opened up. So I opened up a track with the 16W. And you'll go to the folder icon, Load Performance, up on the right side of the navigation bar at the top of the plugin. Open it up, navigate to your drive that you have it installed in, and it's going to come up as Windsynth Samples. And when you open that up, it's going to say TX16WX Finished Sounds. Open that up. And it's going to say Performances. Open that up, and there's all your patches, and they're all numbered in the order that they were created. But there's a legend for what I was thinking of the use when I created them. So PD is pad, BS is bass, TX is a texture, LD is lead, and so on. I have it written out on the info page. SE is sound effects, and some of them, PC is percussion. And one of the great things about Windsynth is that they cover so many octaves, a bass sound can easily be used as a lead sound. So you'll have to get familiar with the sounds that are your favorites and be able to navigate it. But you can just put it in the file name, the number. For instance, 415 I know is the gong, and open it up, and it will open up in the plugin, and then you can just play. Now, one of the great things about using these with Windsynth, because they're very, very expressive, so depending on the attack that you use, if you use a tongue attack, you get a hard edge that starts the sample. But if you use a breath attack, you can get all kinds of different effects. So get creative with it. And when you want to load another patch, just go back up to your Load Performance folder and pick the patch that you want to play. Here's a Brecker Chordal 2. See what that sounds like. And the TX16W is also multi-timbral, so you can set up all the MIDI channels, take a little bit of programming on your part if you want to use it that way, but you can use it as a multi-timbral recording synth, or live you can map out sounds to individual MIDI channels and just change MIDI channels from your controller to change patches. Anyway, that's about it. It's very easy to set up. It'll take you really only a couple of seconds to install it into whatever DAW that you're using. And if you have any questions, please give me a shout. Thank you. Bye-bye.